In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept Temu invitation on laptop. If you recently received an invitation link from a friend and you are not sure how to open or accept it using your computer browser, then this tutorial will guide you through the entire process in a very simple and easy-to-follow way. Whether the invitation was sent through email, messaging apps, or social media, the process is very straightforward once you know where to click and what to look for. To begin, turn on your laptop or desktop computer and connect to the internet. After that, open your preferred web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Safari, or any other modern browser that you normally use on your computer. Once your browser is open, the next thing you need to do is locate the invitation link that was sent to you. Most of the time, Temu invitation links are shared through email, WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, or other messaging platforms. Open the app or website where you received the invitation and look for the message that contains the Temu invite link. Once you find it, simply click on the link directly from your laptop browser. After clicking the invitation link, your browser will automatically redirect you to the official Temu website. Depending on the type of invitation you received, you may be asked to sign in to your Temu account before continuing. If you already have an account, enter your login details and continue. If you do not have an account yet, you may need to create one first before the invitation can be fully accepted. Once the page loads successfully, the invitation is generally considered accepted automatically just by opening the link and accessing the offer or event connected to it. In many cases, you may immediately see promotional rewards, discounts, referral bonuses, or invitation activities connected to your friend's invite. From there, you can continue browsing products, shopping on the platform, or even sharing your own invitation links with other people if the feature is available in your account. Make sure you use the official Temu website and avoid clicking suspicious or unofficial links from unknown sources for your safety. And that's basically how you can accept a Temu invitation on a laptop using a computer browser. The process is quick, beginner-friendly, and only takes a few moments to complete. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.